In this video presentation, we are going to show you how to use chocolate cake mix. To make the chocolate cake, you will be needing 3 pieces eggs, 1/2 cup butter, 3 cups chocolate cake mix, 1/2 tablespoon oil, and 1 cup of water. Using paddle attachment, cream butter for 5 minutes at medium speed. Scrape butter from sides of mixing bowl. Add chocolate cake mix, eggs, water, and oil. Mix for 1 minute at low speed. Scrape choco batter from sides of mixing bowl. Shift to medium speed and continue mixing for 4 minutes. After mixing, remove the paddle from the mixer. Pour batter into greased and paper-lined round pan. Put the pan in a preheated oven and bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes or until done. Cool the cake to room temperature before depanning. Using this proportion will yield you 1 piece 8x3 moist, sweet, dark chocolate cake. Apply icing and distribute evenly. This mix can be used on the following varieties: marbled chocolate cake, choco banana loaf, and streusel squares.